Yeah, well, Derek came out to the shop today, did a bunch of cleaning. It's been a long time overdue. Still got some more stuff to do. We gotta go through all these wiring harnesses for these Subarus and see what we want, what we don't want. But yeah, I got the corner all here cleaned up. Got to put some of the stuff away for the Ford yet, but got all the stuff back here. Not like it matters too much. I gotta pull an engine out and put it in the wife's WRX. That should be a video coming up soon, but I do have some video of me welding up Dusty's header and intake pipe. I made it an up pipe. We're gonna start selling up pipes. I'll try and put all the welding stuff in one video, so enjoy. And here it is, all done. Got real nice good penetration on the inside, no real sugaring or anything like that. But yeah, we'll be selling these. So if you guys are looking to get some up pipes, let me know. All stainless steel, including the flanges. Well, I talked to Derek today, and I guess he said that when he did his oil change at work, his 330,000 mile WRX engine had some pretty good metal particles on the oil pan, or the magnetic drain plug. So I've got a spare Legacy GT engine over here. Gonna crack it apart, see if the case halves are any good, and we'll probably end up building that so we can just swap everything over when he's ready. So enjoy the time lapse. That engine apart that Derek needed. Basically waiting on a adapter for one of the sockets because I don't have it here to have it at work. And literally the next day, Derek ended up picking up a 255 long or short block that needs a rebuild. So we're just gonna use that because we know that one is gonna be good, whereas mine's been sitting around for a while. But should be all right. Yeah, we'll have a build series on that one here pretty soon too. So. I got a customer's intercooler pipe. He's complaining of a misfire, and upon inspection we found the bracket on the bottom broke off. So we're gonna weld that up for him. I need a lot more practice on aluminum. I don't really do it enough, so this should be a good test for me. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. I didn't quite clean it enough, but it'll be fine for what we're doing for it.